Hello everybody, I hope you're having a lovely Friday morning. It's Friday morning here in Melbourne, Australia, so we are going to get straight to what we've got to do. I've already done some candles, packaging up different orders. Another wholesale order is out, and this order is for a lovely customer of mine, Jordan. Jordan is so sweet. She's often sent me a few messages, which is really lovely and kind. So today we are going to be packaging up an order for Jordan, and I know she's going to absolutely love what she's getting in here. So without further ado, let's go and organize Jordan's order. So let's go. Now, to do an order, this is what I usually do. So I've got my boxes here. I have like maybe 6 or 7 different sort of boxes, and then I have my own packaging. So this one here, I actually got done, like I'm going to say a year and a half ago. I actually got this beautiful packaging done. So basically what I do is I just line the box with this beautiful paper. I just fold it so that it obviously fits nice and neat in the box. I try not to use much sticky tape because we're trying to limit lots of plastics, but usually I do have to just stick one little sticky bit here. So let me just organize that. Alright, so I've got my little sticky tape. I'm just going to stick those two pieces together, and then to protect your products, I definitely suggest you put like a foam. There's lots of biodegradable ones. This is 100% recycled. So I get this from Stanley Packaging in Australia. It protects your product. So do remember, you are responsible to get a product to your customer in one piece. And you know, if you're trying to get insurance, just to let everyone know, if you're trying to get insurance because your package broke, they will actually investigate how it's packed. And if it's just tissue paper or something, you will not get their insurance paid out on this. So you do need to make sure that it's appropriately packaged, and to make sure that, you know, it has enough stuff and materials to be squishy so that if it drops, it's not going to break. So first of all, Jordan has this lovely one. These are my bath bombs. They do come in packages. And some exciting news, we are in the middle of organizing our second lot of packaging to come out, and these boxes will be beautiful and colorful with bubbles on them and so on for the bath bomb. So she's got one of those. Now Jordan did organize to buy some shower steamers. Now my new boxes haven't come in, so these were my old ones, but she's ordered 2 lavender. I've actually given her 2 freebies in here. Because like I said, we are going to new packaging, but that's very exciting for Jordan, isn't it? So that is going to go in there. And when I have customers that are regular customers, I often just throw in some freebies. Now in here, I have wrapped up her beautiful car diffuser. So this is the one that she's actually got, which is Coconut Beach. And I will tell you, the Coconut Beach is one of the most popular ones, definitely, that I sell. It's very popular. So anyway, this is her beautiful car diffuser. So basically you just pull open this. So for anyone that wants to know, you just undo the wooden lid, and underneath there is a safety catch. You take that out, put this lid back on, and you just give it a couple of bits like that, just, you know, quick tip, and then hang it up in your car, and maybe every now and then just give it a quick 1-second tip, and that's it. But these are amazing. I've had mine in my car for quite a while now, and I know she is going to absolutely just love this. I do actually have a couple extra free special items that I'm going to put in, but I can't show it in case Jordan sees it, and I don't want her to see that. So now, and these are my new flyers. These go in all of my packaging. Just shows you a little bit about what we've got, and you can see on here our new packaging that will be coming in. I'm very excited. So even our melts will have new packaging, but it's going to take a good year because it's extremely expensive, and I only do this as I can afford it as we go along. So anyway, we will fold that up, and that's going to go in Jordan's package. So let me get my extra little few things in here for Jordan, and we're going to pop all of these in here. And then after this, of course, we are going to make this look absolutely gorgeous for her and wrap it all up. So I'll show you how I do that. Alright everyone, I have finally finished. I had to go back and put the label on because I actually had forgotten. So anyway, the label is on. We are all done. And this will give you a sneak peek of what my label's going to look like in the future. They're all going to be kind of like that. but you will see what that's going to be like. Of course, the boxes will be smaller because that box there actually has several things in it, doesn't it? So we just put it nice and tight. And the reason I actually do this, it really does protect it as well. If you just keep everything nice and tight on there, fold over the tissue paper, and then I do always put like this cute little thank you kind of sticker on top. So we will do this. So doesn't that look nice? And you know, look, my thing is it's a nice little gift for somebody as well to open for themselves. So I put this little thank you ticket just over there, holds it nice in place, and then when they get it they can just pull it open. And of course we are going to be popping in our new little thank you bits in there, and then that is it. So usually I do write their name, which I'll write a message on the box for her here, and then we're going to seal it up and we will send this one off. So Jordan, I hope you absolutely love it. Don't forget to give me a review. All you need to do is go on to Google as well. So just look up Nelson Sopry on Google Business, and then you can give me a review on there. It's always great to ask people to give you a review, everyone as well, because you know it does help you on Google. And I've been told the last few orders that I've actually had, people have said they've actually found me on Google just by Googling soap companies in Victoria. So that's something that you must do, everyone. Try and do that. But like I said, Jordan, if you love it, make sure you give me a review on Google review. Anyway, I will see everyone soon, and Jordan, enjoy your lovely gift. Bye for now.